What's going on, guys? My name is Carl of Techademics, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your desktop background. So it's nice and easy. The first thing you want to do is go to your internet browser and you want to type in what you want as your background. So as you can see here, I'm going to use the example of Earth, and you want to then go to images. Okay, so it's going to bring you up a load of images of Earth, but they're all going to be different resolutions. So what we want to do to get the highest quality, we're going to type in what our desktop resolution is. So the standard is 1080p, so we're going to type exactly that, 1080p, if I can do that myself. And it's going to come up with a load of images that are actually your set resolution now. So I'm going to pick one that I like, so out of random I'm just going to pick this one here. As you see, it says 1920 by 1080p. We're going to click on it, and what you want to do to get the highest quality out of the download when you download the image, you want to click on view image. It's going to bring up the whole image. Then you want to right click and save image as. Now I'm going to save it to my desktop, but you can save it anywhere you like. So then when you go to the image, which like I said is on the desktop here, you want to hover over it, right click, and you want to click on set as desktop background, and that's going to do exactly that. So you want to save this image somewhere on your desktop, maybe on your desktop itself, or maybe you want to save it in some sort of folder out of the way, just so that when you restart your computer, the image on your desktop background doesn't disappear. So it's as simple as that. It's nice and easy. If this was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching.